All right, join your hands, close your eyes. Let's say our prayers, children. Ishi, switch your camera on. I cannot see you, child. Close your eyes, all of you. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, welcome to your class. We have social studies in this period, children. And we were doing the lesson, what parents do for us. Now we finished with the exercises on page number 34. We have finished with the exercises on page number 34. Now coming to page number 35. Open your books to page number 35, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 35. Okay, now we have an exercise here which says write M for mother, F for father and C for children according to the people who do these pieces of work at home. So there are some pictures given here. Look at the pictures there. Arjun, you just joined.
Good morning.
Good morning, Arjun.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Page number 35 and please try to be on time, Arjun. Page number 35, Social Studies. Got it? Arjun? Arjun,
Yes, ma'am.
page number 35. Got it? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We are going to begin with the exercise on that page. The pictures there. Let's look at the first picture. You can see mummy in the kitchen and it says cooks food. So, your mother does the cooking. So, we put over there M. Put over there M in those brackets. Alright, the second picture says gets bread and butter. Now Ishi, who goes to the market and gets bread and butter? What are we going to put over there? Which alphabet? Market से सामान कौन लाता है? F, father. Very good. So put over there F, children. Alright, Arav, the next one. Look at the next picture. Helps you in homework.
Mother.
Look at the picture. Mother.
Mother तो उसमें हमारी हेल्प करती है.
Okay, mother helps. So we write over there M. Put over there M. Yes, Aro, thank you. Now you can mute yourself. Alright, the next picture. Lays the table. Now if you remember in the lesson we had read, who helps to lay the table? Aban, your camera is off. I cannot see you. Yes, Pat?
And which page number?
Page number 35, Roshni. And you have to be on time. Aban, your camera is off. I cannot see you. Pat, give me the answer, child. Next picture. Lays the table.
Children.
Children. Okay, put over there C.
Ma'am.
Alright, the next picture. Chops the vegetables. Look at that picture and tell me, Abdul, who is doing the chopping?
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, third number पर क्या था? Ma'am, third number Ma'am, second, third में क्या था?
Who is this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And third number or four or
Number
second.
3. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. पिक्चर में कौन हेल्प कर रहा है होमवर्क करने में? Mother. So what will you put over there? Which alphabet? M. So put it there. Put it there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The next one, lays the table. Children help to lay the table. So put over there C. Chops the vegetable. Yes, Abdul?
Ma'am, mother.
Mother. That's right. Put over there M, children. Shanawar, the last one. Dust the furniture. Children help in dusting the furniture. Children. So we put over there C.
What?
Now the next exercise says, draw a picture of a family enjoying together. Now here what you can do is, you can draw a nice picture of your family enjoying together. Any day when you were sitting together and doing something, or if you remember a day when you went out together, had a picnic. So you can imagine all those things, remember them and draw. You can put them down on paper in this box over here, rectangle box that's given there. You can draw in this, right? Now once again I'm going to read the lesson for you. We'll just revise the lesson quickly and then I'll ask you. Yes, Aishika?
ये ट्रायंगल बॉक्स के अंदर ही ड्रॉ करना है.
Rectangle box. Yes, child. उसके अंदर ड्रॉ करिएगा.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Now open to page number 32. Put your pencils down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम, मुझे ड्रॉ करना नहीं आता है, तो क्या मैं पिक्चर क्लिक कर सकती हूँ
Who is this?
पेज पे?
Who is
साक्षी अग्रवाल.
Satakshi, you learn to draw. You don't have to be perfect, okay? We are not perfect, child. हम लोग सब अपने आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. जैसा भी ड्रॉ करेंगे, लेकिन सब ड्रॉ करेंगे, okay? And again, I cannot see you,
Okay, ma'am.
Satakshi. Now I can see you. Okay, you have to learn to draw. You don't have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
be
Thank you, ma'am.
perfect, okay? All right. Okay, now open to page 32.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Page 32. Again, Satakshi, I cannot see you. Page number 32, children. What parents do for us? I'm giving it a reading again. Pay attention and follow. Then I'm going to ask you questions. Parents work hard for their family. They provide their children with all the things they need. Parents provide you, parents give you everything that you need. Parents look after their children when they fall sick. Parents work to earn money for their children. In some families, mothers also earn money by doing jobs. Parents teach their children good habits. They give them good education. Parents work hard to keep their children happy. Parents do everything to keep you happy. Now come to page number 33. Mother cooks food for the family. She keeps the house clean. She does most of the household work. She nurses the members of the family when they fall ill. I told you, mummies take care of you. They look after you when you fall sick. They do everything for you. Taiba Mustafa, stop fighting, sit straight. Pay attention, Mustafa. Father also attends to many household tasks for his family. Tasks are the jobs, the work, all the work that the father does at home. He brings things from the market. Many a time he helps mother in her duties. Then we have zone of assessment. What is grandma doing in the picture? Grandma is reading stories to the grandchildren. Then we have amazing fact at the side. In a joint family, grandparents love and take care of their grandchildren. They tell their grandchildren interesting stories. Grandparents take care of you, they tell you stories. What should you as children do? Now, very important, what should you as children do? You must obey your parents. You should respect them. You should love them. You should try to help them in laying the table, watering the plants, etc. You all must share work at home. Everybody has to help in the housework. सबको हेल्प करनी चाहिए. सारा काम सिर्फ मम्मी के लिए नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए या पापा के लिए. आपको भी हेल्प करनी है. You also need to help your parents. All the little things that you can do. You can do the dusting. You can take care of your own things, your books, your clothes, everything. You can put them properly. When it's time for the meals, you can lay the table. You can water the plants. Yes, you can do all these things. Give me a thumbs up. Can you do all these things? You all are big enough? That's right. Okay, now let me see how many of you have revised the lesson. I'm going to ask you some questions. Alia? Children, you have to be on time. Some children are joining very late. Okay, now be ready. I'm going to ask you some questions. Parents work hard for their family or friends. Bhavika. Parents work hard for their, and your options are family or friends. Bhavika, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, Bhavika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavika,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first one. Parents work hard for their family or friends. ध्यान से सुनिए. Parents work hard for their family or friends. किसके लिए parents work करते हैं? Family के लिए या friends के लिए?
Family.
Family. Okay, good. Next one, Vikhyat. Mother keeps the house clean or dirty?
Clean.
Clean, very good. Okay, the next one, Satakshi. Children should...
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Children should or should not help their parents? Children should or should not help their parents? बच्चों को parents की
Should.
help करनी चाहिए? Okay, should. Good, that's right.
मैम
Alright.
क्या मैं आपको दिख रही हूँ?
Yes, Satakshi, I can see you now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Alright, Sidra, the next one. Children should love, respect, or both their parents?
Ma'am, both.
Both. You must love your parents also. You must respect them also. Very good. Okay, Ashwil, dash work hard for the family. Who works hard for the family, Ashwil?
Yes,
Ashwil,
ma'am.
who works hard for the family? We are studying the lesson about parents, so your answer will be Ashwil. Ashwil, माइक आपने कैमरा ऑफ कर दिया है बेटे, कैमरा ऑन करिए अपना.
मैम मेरा कैमरा तो खुला है.
नो आई कैन नॉट सी यू. सिर्फ माइक ऑन है, आपने शायद गलती से कैमरा का आइकॉन टच करा है. Come on, give me the answer. Who works hard for the family? Okay, Roshni. Roshni, who works hard for the family?
Yes, ma'am.
Who works hard for the family?
Parents work hard for
Okay,
the
parents
family.
work hard for the family. That's right. Ashwil, now I can see you. Next one. Ashwil, now you give me the next answer. Pay attention. Dash does most of the household work. Dash. Ashwil, मम्मी को बोलिए. ऐश्वर्य मम्मी को बोलिए वहां से थोड़ा सा हट जाए. आप सुन के सोच के जवाब दीजिए बेटे. We are doing the lesson on parents. Your mother, father, they help you, they do everything. आपको सोच के आंसर देना है. Dash does most of the household work. घर के ज्यादातर काम कौन करता है ऐश्वर्य? All the cooking, all the cleaning. Ashwil, look at ma'am.
My mother.
Mother, that's right. You have to think and answer, all right? Okay, Shiv, the next one. Parents work to earn dash. Parents work to earn dash. Parents office जाते हैं, work करते हैं, किस लिए? To earn
Children.
No, parents work to earn money. Parents work to earn money. All right. Now the next one.
Money.
Rudra, the next one. Dash should also help their parents. Dash should also help their parents.
Ma'am, children.
Children. Okay, that's right.
Ma'am, children.
Yes, children. Next, Dash take care of their grandchildren. Okay, Mustafa. Dash take care of their grandchildren.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash take care of their grandchildren. Grandchildren किसके होते हैं? Grandparents के. Grandparents, दादा दादी नाना नानी को
Yes, ma'am.
grandparents बोलते हैं. और आप उनके क्या होंगे? Grandchild.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, so grandparents take care
Grandchildren.
of their grandchildren, right? All right. Now let's see.
Okay, ma'am.
Who reads stories to the children? Arjun, who reads stories to the children?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Okay, the grandparents or grandmother, right? Okay, Mandvi, the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mandvi. Who helps you with the homework and studies?
Mother.
Okay. Aradhya, the next one. Who goes and buys all the things from the market? Aradhya Khanna.
Yes, ma'am.
Who goes to the market and buys all the things? मार्केट से सामान कौन लेकर आते हैं? Okay, answer. Father brings things from the market. He goes to the market, he brings all the things. Sometimes mothers also go. Mothers also go to the market and do the shopping, right? Okay, Aditya, the next one.
Ma'am, which page number?
You just close your books just now and answer the questions that I'm asking you. Okay, Aditya, the next question for you. Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya. Who
Yes, ma'am.
takes care of you? Who nurses you when you fall sick?
Mother.
Mother, that's right. Alright, now let's see who else is here. Okay. Ahmad?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ahmad. Who does the cooking in the house?
Mother.
Mother, that's right. Okay. And who keeps you happy in the house? Let's see, Arisht. Who keeps you all happy in the house? Arisht. Who keeps you children happy in the house? Your parents. We are studying about parents just now. So parents keep you happy. They do everything to keep you happy, right? Okay. Now, some of you are not revising the exercises at the back of the lesson. You need to learn up these exercises very nicely, children. I have already told you any day I will be taking surprise tests in any of the subjects. किसी भी दिन मॉर्निंग में क्लास शुरू होने के टाइम हम आपको बोलेंगे रजिस्टर्स रेडी करिए, हम क्वेश्चंस बोलेंगे और आपको आंसर्स लिखने होंगे. अर्जुन, you are not paying attention, you are talking to somebody there. You have to keep revising and learning everything every day. हम आपको क्लास में रिवीजन करा रहे हैं, लेसन करा रहे हैं, आपको क्लास के बाद उसको घर पे रिवाइज करना है, so that you are able to answer. When you will read the lesson, children, then you will remember everything. So make sure that you are reading the lesson very well and learning up everything. Okay? Now, with that, we come to the end of your social studies period for today. You will revise this lesson very well. I will be sending you the question and answers today. You will do those question and answers in your copy and also learn them up. Okay? You learn up the question and answers nicely. Right? So, we finish with today's class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Thank you.